For folks who love the curious antics of cats but don't have any of their own, now there's a way to play remotely. Bite-A-Wee, a New York City-based animal welfare organization, introduced remote playdates with their cats that are up for adoption. All thanks to iPet, a system that allows people to control robotic toys via the internet, to watch them play, all in the comfort of their homes. Nancy Taylor is CEO of Bite-A-Wee.
I think it gives people at home or at work on their computer a great way to feel connected with live animals. And in this digital age, people really yearn for companionship.
Each user is allowed 2 minutes in a playdate, but there's no limit to how many times you can log in. Bite-A-Wee hopes, of course, that the dates will lead to real-life adoptions. The iPet Companion Kit is also available for purchase for pet owners on the road or away from home.
I wonder all the time what's happening at home with my cat. Is he getting along with the pet sitter? Are they having fun?
The iPet Kit comes with a hefty price tag, though, of $850. But for worried pet owners who have trouble parting with their furry friends, it's an investment that will give them peace of mind. Ellie Park, Reuters, New York.